Welcome to GP Support North's top 6 tips for a successful digital transformation while staying on Microsoft Dynamics GP. This is an excerpt from our DynamicCon Live virtual conference where Scott will be reviewing our 5th tip.
So tip 5, I kind of hinted at this, looking at an increased focus on communications. So not just automating your processes, but how are you communicating to outside parties? What to look for? Look at your consumer communications. Consumer communications have been happening for a number of years, and we're often some of the first ones. Email, newsletters, sales and marketing. How are they communicating to your customers? And can you leverage some of those tools or copy those concepts and use them with different tools, but to support vendors, to support how finance interacts with your customers, not from a sales perspective, but from a billing perspective, from a communications, keeping addresses, credit cards, other information up to date. Sometimes those are finance operations, not necessarily sales and marketing. How can we eliminate paper? If you look at some approvals, do you still have old school, a paper invoice comes in and someone's signing it? Are you retaining that, or can it be scanned and stored electronically? Electronic storage is way cheaper than storing paper boxes and putting them into storage closets and moving them off site, especially trying to retrieve them for later should you ever be audited. So resolving communications, email is easy. Can you create some shared email boxes? AR@gpsupportnorth.com, finance at, etc. for your own business. The internal workflows I touched upon. Dynamics GP has a great doc attach function, and there's additional add-ons that even make doc attach that much easier and leverage the workflows within Dynamics GP to do the AP automation, the AR automation, some of those different components. Or as I mentioned, a number of ISV applications are available. The billing and customer statements that I talked about, a little bit of the Big Brother approach to see what's been accessed and not, the budgeting and workflow around forecasts, even scenario planning, and that collaboration that can happen between finance and line of business. One of the fun aspects with digital transformation and adopting some of these automated tools is it frees up time for many of your finance individuals, and they can raise their game into being more of advisors, more of the analysis, and less of the paper processing. Sometimes it does put pressure on the caliber individuals, but having stretch opportunities is really going to help you with your retention and the engagement within your own finance team. That, in all, is digital transformation, helping everyone to be bigger, better, faster, more competitive within North America on a global basis, not only with your peers at the state and provincial level, country level, but on a global basis. And this is where automation really does come in.
Excellent overview on creating an expanded focus on communications. For the 6th tip, or more on a digital transformation with GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com/bestpractice.